In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your Acer laptop. First, click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and open the app from the search results. Once Microsoft Store opens, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account. You can check this by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Now, you can browse thousands of apps and games available for Windows. You can scroll through the featured apps, trending apps, and popular games, or click on Apps in the left-hand menu to explore different categories. If you're looking for a specific app, click on the search bar at the top and type the name of the app. For example, you can search for Netflix, Spotify, WhatsApp, or any other app you want to install. Select the app from the search results. Then click the Get or Install button. Microsoft Store will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app immediately. You can also open the app later by clicking the Start menu and searching for its name. That's it. This is how you can download and install apps on an Acer laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.